Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's writing scripts, composing music, even acting in films. The creative industry is buzzing with excitement. But fear is bubbling up too. Unions, representing the voices of creative workers, are sounding the alarm. They see a future where AI could push artists, writers, and performers aside. They're demanding action to ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. One of the biggest concerns is the lack of transparency around AI training data. These powerful algorithms learn by devouring massive datasets. But where is this data coming from? Often, it's scraped from the internet, including copyrighted works. Unions are demanding to know what's being used to train these AI systems. They want to ensure that artists, writers, and musicians aren't being ripped off. Transparency is key. Right now, creators often have no say in whether their work is used to train AI. Unions argue that this is unacceptable. They're pushing for an opt-in system. This means creators would have the power to decide if their work can be used for AI training. No more secret scraping, no more involuntary contributions, just clear, informed consent. Let's be real. Money matters. If an AI system is trained on a musician's entire catalog and starts churning out hit songs, shouldn't that musician get a cut? Unions say absolutely. They're fighting for fair pay for creators whose work is used in AI training. This could mean royalties, licensing fees, or other compensation models. The bottom line is that creative work has value, and that value should be recognized. Section 5, keeping the machines in check. The need for regulation. Right now, the Wild West feels more regulated than the world of AI. That's why unions are calling for an independent regulator to oversee this rapidly evolving field. This body would establish guidelines for ethical AI development and use, ensuring that workers' rights are protected. Think of it as a referee making sure the game is played fairly. Section 6. Writers fight back. The WGGB takes a stand. The Writers Guild of Great Britain, the voice of UK writers, is on the front lines of this battle. They're calling out what they call industrial-scale theft of writers' work to train AI. Their solution? Voluntary licensing. This would allow creators to get paid for the use of their work while still enabling AI development. It's a win-win. Section 7. Actors on the front lines. Equity's battle for control. Actors are also feeling the heat. Equity, the UK Actors Union, is fighting to stop tech companies from using performers' work without permission. They point to their recent TV and film negotiations as a model for success. By standing together, actors won important protections in the face of new technologies. They believe the same can be done with AI. Section 8, the TUC's call to action, a task force for the future. The Trades Union Congress, the UK's leading trade union body, is issuing a stark warning. Without proper regulation, rapacious tech bosses will exploit creative workers. They believe AI has the potential to revolutionize the world of work, but not at the expense of workers themselves. Their solution? A new task force bringing together creative workers, unions, tech experts, and the government. The goal? To manage the impact of AI and ensure it benefits everyone, not just a select few. Section 9. Protecting the soul of creativity, a vital task. This isn't just about protecting jobs, it's about protecting the very soul of creativity. If AI is allowed to become a tool of exploitation, it risks stifling the human spirit that drives art, music, and storytelling. Unions are fighting to ensure that doesn't happen. They believe that by working together, we can harness the power of AI while safeguarding the rights and livelihoods of those who make our world a more beautiful, more meaningful place. The future of creativity hangs in the balance.